concussions earlier this season. And in tennis, Daniel Medvedev has fought back from 2 sets down in his semi-final against Alexander Zverev. They're now locked in a decisive 5th set battle at the Australian Open. The winner will meet Yannick Sinner, who earlier put off a shock win over the 10-time champion Novak Djokovic.
Thanks, Orla. And with the weather here, Cecilia.
1 or 2 showers through the rest of the day, but many places will be dry and bright with some sunshine. Still quite a brisk wind blowing from the west, which will make it feel cooler with highs of between 7 and 9 degrees. Mostly dry and breezy tonight with just a few passing showers. Clear spells initially, but it will turn cloudier towards morning, and a milder night is expected with lows of 5 or 6 degrees. BBC